Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome back to a brand new video. Right, so in today's video, you are going to be helping me pack for my next holiday. I'm going on holiday to Dubai, one of my favourite places, all-time favourite place to go on holiday. So I'm going to be going for 7 nights to Dubai. So ideally, I need like 7 daytime outfits and probably not so much evening outfits because I'm not going to be going out every single night. Also, voila! My massive suitcase. I actually bought this last year and I used it last year to go Dubai, but I found it wasn't big enough. So I wish I actually bought the larger version of that suitcase now, but anywho's, we'll make it work. But yeah, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get packing. Right, so I've got this leopard print camisole top, and on the shoulders, look at this ruffly bit. So it just like dangles off on your shoulder and it's really light and airy, which is what you need in Dubai because it's going to be so hot. And I'm going to wear this with my denim hot pants. I am going to bring a few pairs, like different types of colours. But I've got this one, like a dark blue denim. We've even got the light blue. But I think with the leopard print, I might team it with this light blue denim. These are like my go-to denim hot pants. I always bring them on holiday. They're so comfy, really stretchy. I've had these for years actually. And I've got this from Hollister. Love them. I actually get all my denim hot pants from Hollister. And even hoodies as well I get from Hollister. And another camisole top, it's this black one. I don't know if you can see the detailing on that. It's like a chiffon fabric. It's so pretty and I love the ruffle detailing at the front. Got the adjustable straps to give you that perfect fit, and I got this from Shein and it's in a size small. I'm gonna wear this with, you've guessed it, another pair of denim hot pants. And these are really stretchy as well, and these are from, I think these were from Shein. I got these last year and it's got like ripped details here at the front. Super comfy because they're very stretchy. Let me show you this play suit. I bought this the other day. It's still got the tag on it. Got this from Next. So it nips in at the waist. It's elasticated with a drawstring here just to really nip you in and give you a bit of definition on your waist. Like, it looks like you've got the illusion of an hourglass figure, which, trust me, I do not have that. I am like straight up and down, so that's why I love having the drawstring, just to give me that definition here. So I just tiptoed then. I don't know why I'm tiptoeing, but I'm just trying to show you everything on the screen. Yet again, a very similar design, but this is more of a khaki green zebra print play suit, and oh my god, look at it, it's got pockets. So handy to have, pockets on each side, and it's elasticated on the top and even on the waist is elasticated as well. Love this, and it's got pockets. You can't go wrong with having pockets. I've got exactly the same version, but in the black. So this is the plain black version, and it's so good to have these strapless play suits because you're not going to be getting any tan lines. And let me show you this. It's a maxi dress. Look at the print on that. It is stunning. I don't know if you can see, it's actually got gold metallic thread on there. It's such a beautiful print, and it's elasticated here at the top, just above the bust line, and even on the waist, that's also elasticated. I don't usually wear maxi dresses, so this is very rare for me to actually wear something like this. Oh my god, I've got that many day outfits. I don't even know how many I've even showed you right now, but anyway, let's keep going. Right, so a really pretty dress. This is like a cami dress. It's knee length, and it's still got the tag on there. Let me just pop that back in. Yeah, and it's got a elasticated back here, just to like make it really fit to your body. It's got adjustable straps. I bought this from ASOS, but it's actually from the brand Hollister. Yes, I bought this recently and it's still got the tag on it, so I haven't actually worn it yet. I can't wait to wear this. I didn't show you this top as well. It's a casual black top with 3 hearts that's got a leopard print on there. Just always good to have these casual tops. So I'm going to team this with denim hot pants. Let me just show you here. Like that. Right, so those are my daytime outfits. Let me show you my evening outfits now. Oh, look at this one, it's so pretty. Look at this. It's like a really low cut dress that I can wear in the evening. So this is like a cami dress, but what I love about it is the detailing. So it's got a beautiful floral print on it, but look at the lace detailing here, just under the bust. And if I turn it around, it's actually a backless dress, and it is a knee length dress, but I just love the detailing on this. So it's giving like a really boho vibe. Right, and let me show you this dress. I love it. Look at the colours of this. It's like a really gorgeous, abstract, super bright dress. So this is more like a mini dress, and it's elasticated just to give you that perfect fit on the back. Look at this sash. I feel like when I'm walking, let me just tiptoe again. When I'm walking, I'm always swaying this sash like everywhere. So can't wait to wear this in the evening. So that's 2 evening dresses so far. And let me show you another one. So it's like a zebra print, knee length dress. Loads of detailing to this as well. It's got like the ruffling here. On the back, you could tie it here as well to give you that perfect fit, and yet again it's elasticated, so it's going to be really comfy. Right, so I got this a few days ago from River Island, and it's one of their like online exclusives. So it is a Bardot like off the shoulder play suit, but because it's like all black, I'm going to spruce it up with a waist belt. I don't know what this like extra strap is. I'm going to have to cut this off because it just sort of like looks like it's not meant to be there. So yeah, I'm just going to cut that off. So I'm going to jazz it up. So this black play suit with this love belt. Okay, so these are some of the bikinis that I'm going to be bringing to Dubai. Let me just show you. So this one, it's a baby pink strapless bikini, and you can really adjust that to your bust. So this will suit any bust size. And the bottoms that I'm going to be wearing it with are these ones. This is actually from a different bikini set, but I'm matching it with this strapless bikini. Still pink, isn't it? I love the huge diamonds here at the front. Oh, I'm all about the sparkles, and I love these. So these tie at the side as well, and I got these from a brand called Moda Minx, and this bikini top is from Shein, and I bought the same bikini top but in the orange. This is obviously from Shein as well. I'll show you, but I'm gonna mix and match it, and like with this orange bikini top, I'm gonna wear it with these pink bottoms, and then you can't go on holiday without a white bikini. So yet again, it's got all these sparkle details here. But this one's a halter neck tie up, and it's elasticated here to give you that really comfortable fit. It's got that padding as well, and a nice tie at the back. And with this one, I've got the matching bottoms, and yet again, it's got the big diamond here at the front. Probably notice a trend right now. So the diamonds and the diamond, these are actually from the same range, but obviously different colors. And yeah, it's from the same range again, but in fluorescent yellow. But yeah, these bikinis are defo coming with me to Dubai. Oh yeah. Got these bags a few days ago when I went shopping at Next. So this one, I really like the color. It's like a neutral beige, and it's got like this brass gold detailing at the front with some studs. This is like the perfect daytime bag, so I don't want to always be holding such a big bag, and this is just so convenient. Yet again, I'm tiptoeing so I can show you what it looks like. But yeah, it's still got the tag on. Yeah, a lot of stuff's still got the tag on because I only bought it like the last few days. And another bag that I bought from Next as well, and I was like, this is really nice material. It actually feels like real leather, but obviously I don't think it is real leather, but it feels and looks like real leather. It's not too big, this bag. It's like pretty small bag like that. So I've got another bigger one, a brown hold all bag. I actually used this last year when I went to Dubai. It's so handy. I took it to the beach, and just like a really casual bag that I could just chuck everything in. Obviously I'm going to be bringing my trainers. Those are downstairs right now, so I can't really show you. So yeah, I'm going to bring some sandals as well. These are so comfortable, and they're from Steve Madden. It's got like studded straps, and I love the colour as well because it's nude, so it goes with absolutely everything. They're very comfortable because it's got a cushioned sole. I love shoes and footwear from Steve Madden. Talking about Steve Madden, I've got a pair of heels from Steve Madden. It's nude with the studded detailing, and it's got like the ankle strap. And these are really, really comfortable. And I've got this in a different colour as well. I've got the clear strap version. I wanted to buy like the nude version because this just goes with absolutely everything. And a few days ago, I bought these flip-flops from ASOS, and it's from the brand Ipanema. I don't know if I've pronounced that right. Ipanema, and it's made in Brazil, but I usually get these from ASOS, especially when you've got like a discount code. It's always worth buying, but they're so comfortable. And yet again, I bought it in my favourite colour, pink. Always good to have flip-flops. I might bring another pair with me actually, so I'll bring 2 pairs. But yeah, I still need to pack my makeup, my toiletries, my accessories, my hair dryer, my hair straightener, just everything. So all that stuff still needs to go into my suitcase. But yeah, fingers crossed everything's gonna fit. It has to fit. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and me packing for my holiday to Dubai. So my next video is going to be my Dubai vlog. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that. You definitely don't want to be missing out on that. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you next time in my Dubai vlog. Mwah! Bye guys.